What does it take to bring a Mercedes truck engine back to life? Today, we take you through a complete rebuild of the Mercedes OM 502 engine. Every bolt, every seal, and every adjustment must be precise. Stick around because this transformation is nothing short of incredible. Before assembly begins, the cylinder block liners are prepared. These are essential for ensuring smooth operation and longevity. We start by installing the rubber seals, ensuring a perfect fit to prevent leaks and maintain compression. A precise application of lubricant follows. This step reduces friction and ensures a seamless installation. Now the liners are positioned in the cylinder block, securing them carefully to avoid misalignment. For smooth and efficient engine operation, plain bearings are installed first. These crucial components minimize friction and wear, allowing moving parts to function without excessive heat and damage. To ensure longevity, a layer of lubrication is applied, creating a protective barrier that reduces metal-to-metal contact. With the bearings in place, the camshaft and crankshaft are carefully positioned. These components work in perfect synchronization, translating motion into power. The camshaft located in the cylinder head above the engine block is mechanically linked to the crankshaft via a timing belt, chain, or gear, ensuring precise coordination between the pistons and valves. Along the camshaft, specially designed lobes control the opening and closing of the engine's intake and exhaust valves, allowing the correct mixture of air and fuel to enter the combustion chamber while efficiently expelling exhaust gases. Since the camshaft directly influences valve timing, it plays a critical role in the engine's performance, efficiency, and power output. The ignition flywheel housing is a protective metal casing that encloses the flywheel at the back of the engine. It serves as a crucial mounting point for the starter motor and ensures proper alignment between the engine and transmission. Without it, dirt, debris, and even moisture can interfere with the flywheel's operation, leading to wear, misalignment, or even failure to the starter motor. The housing also helps contain and reduce vibrations, keeping the entire engine assembly stable and running smoothly. The flywheel itself is a large, heavy metal disc that is bolted directly to the crankshaft. Its primary function is to store rotational energy and help keep the engine running smoothly between power strokes. When the starter motor engages, it turns the flywheel, which in turn cranks the engine to life. The outer edge of the flywheel has a ring gear, and this is what the starter motor's gear meshes with to spin the engine during startup. A properly installed flywheel and ignition flywheel housing are essential for ensuring that the engine starts reliably, runs smoothly, and transfers power efficiently to the transmission. If either component is misaligned or damaged, it could lead to starting issues, excessive vibrations, or even long-term wear on the engine's moving parts. It's time to install the piston and attach the bearings to the connecting rods. This step is crucial, as the pistons initiate and control the compression of the air-fuel mixture, which is ignited to generate power. Once combustion occurs, the force pushes the pistons down, producing the engine's power output. As they cycle, the pistons also help dissipate heat to the cooling system, preventing overheating, while their upward movement expels exhaust gases, making way for the next cycle. For optimal sealing and efficiency, piston rings are installed, ensuring that combustion gases remain contained within the cylinders. The bearings support the piston's movement, minimizing friction and enabling smooth operation. Proper lubrication is applied throughout the installation process to reduce wear and enhance longevity. Once the pistons are in place, attention shifts to the counterweight, an essential component to the crankshaft assembly. The counterweight offsets the mass of the rotating components, including the crankshaft, pistons, and rods, reducing vibrations and promoting smoother engine operation. This balance minimizes component wear, extends engine life, and enhances efficiency by reducing energy loss due to excess vibration, potentially improving fuel economy. Every bolt in the engine must be tightened to a specific torque to ensure durability and prevent failure. Precision is key here. With the core moving parts installed, the oil filter housing is secured to the lower part of the engine. This component plays a vital role in removing contaminants from circulating oil, ensuring clean lubrication and protecting internal parts from premature wear. Next, the thermostat and water pump are installed, key elements to the cooling system. The thermostat carefully regulates engine temperature, staying closed during warm-up to help the engine reach optimal temperature quickly, then opening to allow coolant to circulate through the radiator once the engine heats up. Housed within the same system, the water pump continuously circulates coolant, preventing overheating and maintaining the engine at a safe operating temperature. With the cooling and lubrication systems in place, the engine control unit, also known as the ECU, is installed. As the brain of the engine, the ECU precisely manages fuel injection, ignition timing, and air-fuel mixture, ensuring efficiency, power, and compliance with emission regulations. It also adapts in real time to driver input, optimizing performance and fuel economy. The assembly now advances to the cylinder heads and engine valves, which are essential for regulating airflow in and out of the combustion chamber. Each valve is meticulously ground in to create a perfect seal, preventing leaks and ensuring maximum efficiency. The valve push rods, bridges, and rocker arms are then installed, working together to control air intake and exhaust flow with precision. To finalize this stage, valve clearances are carefully adjusted, 44 intake and 64 exhaust, ensuring smooth operation. With this step complete, the engine is now balanced, efficiently cooled, and ready for the final assembly stages. As the engine nears completion, the final critical components are installed, ensuring it operates at peak performance. The air compressor, low-pressure fuel pump, electrical wiring, and clutch are fitted, each playing a vital role in the engine's function. The air compressor powers the vehicle's pneumatic systems, essential for braking and air suspension. The low-pressure fuel pump ensures a steady supply of fuel from the tank to the engine, maintaining consistent combustion and efficiency. Proper electrical wiring is crucial for the ignition system, sensors, and overall electronic functionality. While the clutch provides a seamless connection between the engine and transmission, allowing for smooth power transfer. With these systems in place, attention shifts to optimizing engine performance and efficiency. The turbines are installed to enhance air intake, increasing combustion efficiency and power output. Fuel injectors are precisely positioned to deliver the right amount of fuel, ensuring optimal performance. The gearbox is attached, linking the engine to the drivetrain, while the fuel pipes are carefully connected, setting the stage for the final test. Finally, the intake manifold is installed to evenly distribute the air-fuel mixture across the cylinders, ensuring smooth and efficient combustion. To ensure long-term durability, all bolts are lubricated with copper grease, preventing seizing and corrosion. With everything in place, it's time to bring this Mercedes OM 502 V8 engine back to life. The starter, engine control unit, and oil pressure sensor are all connected. A deep breath, a turn of the key, and there it is. The roar of a perfectly rebuilt engine. The sound of success. This rebuild, including spare parts and labor, comes to approximately $9,000, a testament to skill, precision, and dedication poured into every step of the process, from the first component installed to this final moment. This project showcases expert craftsmanship and engineering excellence of Razborgruz. And that's how you rebuild a Mercedes Actros OM 502 engine from the ground up. For my start to finish stories, check out the video on the screen.